I'm not looking at really new projects right now, except for ICP that I did make a position in. The reason for it is this thing went to $700 when it came out and tanked. Okay, even touched close to $20, $30. But right now you can see that it has found a bottom, and on top of that, it has found a double bottom, which is a double bottom scenario right here. So, and I think we're also going to jump over this 200 EMA on the 4-hour, which is going to give it momentum. This thing can go all the way up to $200 in literally a matter of days. So I'm just taking a risk with that. I do not. All I need is your love tonight. All I need is your love tonight. Guys, ICP up 71% since I shared this on YouTube. Amazing, amazing. We're going to be taking a look at this. We're going to be taking a look at some of the next levels that we're looking at. $106, guys. I've told you guys before, ICP has a lot of room to run. And yeah, just wanted to start this video with that. And well, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl, and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you guys how to invest into cryptocurrencies, how to save your buying power, and most importantly, how to be profitable in this space. Right now, guys, we have a little mix red and green, but I'm very confident in the direction the market is going. A regular pullback is only fair. Bitcoin's sitting at 45,000. Ethereum's over 3,000. Bitcoin already hit 46,000, which was amazing. So I hope you guys are excited. And if you appreciate, I take my time to make these videos and bring this information to you. You know what to do. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification so you know exactly when I post a video. And you know YouTube try to censor crypto content, so help a brother out and let's do it. So first off, Bitcoin. What is going on with Bitcoin? Where is Bitcoin going? Is this rally a bull trap? Is this rally sustainable? Are we gonna keep going higher? And right now, real quick, I'm going to do a quick analysis on what Bitcoin is doing. Let's look at the past moves. We had a major falling wedge here, broke to the upside of it, and we had a little falling wedge here again, broke to the upside, formed that double bottom when I told you guys, this double bottom is going to push us straight to 50K. And some people didn't think that was a big signal, but I saw it and I shared it with you guys. And what I want you guys to notice, okay, is on the 4-hour, since we had this long signal on the EMA ribbon, we've been on the uprise. And we came under this very few times, under this green EMA right now. And as you can see, once we had that double bottom, this has also been showing us major support levels on top of this EMA ribbon. You can see we came in, touched this green line, we pumped, and we're coming back here again, we're pumped. Guys, this was expected that we're getting rejected at this level because me and my Patreon, we already know this area here that I have is major resistance level. And of course, we hit it right there and got rejected. Honestly, I would not even be upset if Bitcoin came down to 42 again and formed another double bottom scenario here. That would be really bullish. But what's even more bullish is the buying pressure here, how we touched this major critical resistance level and we're not even dumping. Every dip is being bought up right now by people. So this is really, really good to see. So I do want to switch to the 1 hour because I have something to show you guys. I've already told you how this long signal on the EMA ribbon has not signaled long since Bitcoin was at $10,000, and now it's signaled long at Bitcoin at 36,000. So this is really bullish for the continuation. You can see this is a major V-shaped recovery that we're having right now, and just understand this area here where I have this red box is major resistance level, and we're not going to break it overnight. We're going to break in, we're going to enter this box, maybe go sideways a little bit before we get another leg up. We could pump to 49, get rejected, major rejection here, go back to 46 and go sideways in this area before another breakout. But there is something very, very interesting that nobody's also looking at, is because people are not looking at these things. they're missing out. And we're not missing out because us in the Patreon group, we're so up all of our coins. And I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of some things that I've been sharing. Obviously, you guys know I also bring them here, but if you want the most instant signals, there's a link below. You join my Patreon group, and we're like a community. We help each other, and anyone has question. We also do calls once a week, every Sunday afternoon. We literally do live calls where everyone asks their question. I show them what I'm seeing, and that also helps you be a better trader. And also, literally, like, you guys have no idea, that's been helping my Patreons do so well in this market, and I'm very proud of that. I have people from all over the world. That's the best part of it. That makes me really happy. All right, so I want to show you this real quick. So on the 1 hour, you can see we had this def cross here, which didn't result as we wanted, which was going to be a potential dump back to the 20,000. Obviously, institutions were buying this dip, and what we can see now is they did not want the price of Bitcoin to go below 30,000. We just wicked below maybe 29 for a little bit, but the institutions went back in. And two things that I really want you guys to pay attention on this daily chart. The first thing is we broke over this 200 moving average here, this blue line. Okay, why is this very important? It is very important because once we tried breaking above this, we got rejected right here. And this is something that traders, especially institutions, look at a lot, is because once the 200 EMA and the 200 MA are very different. Yet the 200 MA is what institutions tend to look at as to if we're in a bull phase or not. And what we want to see here is we want to see a clear close above this 200 MA, and that is going to give us so much strength and momentum. If you guys notice how when we broke over the 50 MA right here, Bitcoin pumped, literally, Bitcoin pumped from there to where we are right now, about 34%. And I'm expecting something very similar. If we find support over this 200 MA, this is going to give Bitcoin the strength to pump from where we are now to another 30%, which would be sitting at 59,000. All right, this is the first view. The second view is you already know, if I bring us to the 4 hour, that Bitcoin had a golden cross right here on the 4 hours. And I've been teaching you guys how to spot these golden crosses on the 4 hours, just because the 4 hour gets you in earlier. But now there's a lot of people, they're also waiting for the golden cross to occur on the daily, which happens way later than the 4 hour. But by that time, you've already missed out on a lot of this gain, right? But what we're seeing is this 50 MA is curving up. All right, this is really good. It's curving up. So most likely, if this keeps curving up and we get a golden cross on the 1 hour, on the 1 day, this is going to be amazing for the price of Bitcoin. So overall, guys, I'm really bullish with this price action. The MACD is still bullish on the daily, and we're not that overbought yet for Bitcoin. And so now let's switch to Ethereum real quick. Okay. Ethereum, you can see it's a little different story because this thing has been moving. All right, we had this double bottom scenario here, which I told you guys about, coming out of a falling wedge, double bottom bullish. And look at this, we were gonna have that def cross on the 1 day, and that just curved. That's something similar we saw on Aave. All right, and even more, this was the area that I told you guys that was going to be a major resistance, and we just broke over that like it was nothing. Okay, like it was nothing. Ethereum is about to blow and rip faces. All right, not financial advice. I just want to share you guys what I'm seeing. What I'm seeing is not only did we break out of this resistance, we literally came back. Look how we tested this line as support. That is super bullish, guys. That is definitely what I want to see on the chart of Ethereum right now. We're already seeing the effect of the upgrade, the London fork upgrade with the EIP 1559, making Ethereum deflationary. I believe over 30 million of Ethereum has already been burned. So this is great. And obviously, I gave this to my Patreons way early. Since here, we've already reaccumulated Ethereum since we had this golden cross on the 4 hour. Now look at this. This is really good. Ethereum just keeps making higher lows and keeps making higher highs. So right here, we kind of wicked over, but we didn't get it close. So there might be a little slight pullback back to 3,000 before we shoot up. But what I want you guys to really pay attention to is the fact that there is no resistance from here to 4,000 for Ethereum. Therefore, Ethereum, before it faces its next level of resistance, may pump another 30%, which is super, super exciting. So overall, guys, I'm really bullish on Bitcoin right now. I'm really bullish on Ethereum right now. And the entire market is looking extremely well and bullish. Overall, extremely excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this video here because I want to keep these videos short. And I'm going to be making another video to show you guys all these other coins like ADA, VeChain, Aave, and show you guys how my predictions have been playing out. So if you're excited for that too, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, support my channel, and I will be giving you guys the gems so you guys can make massive gains. All right. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's staying safe, and most importantly, future proof.